Direct from the financial markets, here are the most recent headlines. Brought to you by Miles Capital.
Hello everybody, this is your anchor Aksa welcoming you to another edition of Miles Financial News. Join us as we explore the latest financial trends and critical updates that would help you navigate today's complex market. So let's delve into the headlines quick. Gold prices are experiencing continued selling pressure, remaining below the critical $2,500 mark for the second consecutive day as of Monday's early European session. The mixed US jobs report released on Friday has diminished expectations for a significant 50 basis point rate cut by the Fed, resulting in a modest rebound in US Treasury bond yields. This has bolstered the US dollar and driven investors away from the non-yielding yellow metal. However, the less than idle US non-farm payrolls report raises concerns about potential economic slowdown, which could provide some support for gold. Additionally, the ongoing stalemate in ceasefire talks between Israel and Hamas has dampened investor appetite for riskier assets, potentially limiting gold's downside. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reported a rise of 142,000 in non-farm payrolls for August, falling short of the 160,000 expected and the previous month's revised figure of 89,000. The unemployment rate edged down to 4.2% from July's 4.3%, while wage inflation as indicated by average hourly earnings increased to 3.8% from 3.6% previously. These mixed data points suggest a labor market affecting investor sentiment amidst ongoing geopolitical tensions and may offer some support to gold prices. In other developments, the People's Bank of China reported on Sunday that China's gold holdings remained steady at 72.8 million fine troy ounces at the end of August, unchanged for the fourth month in a row. Meanwhile, the market showed minimal reaction to recent Chinese inflation figures, which indicated a seventh consecutive month of rising consumer prices and persistent producer price deflation. And that wraps up our financial news coverage for today. Stay tuned for more insights. This is Aksa signing off.